So over here, you can see that I am inside of a meeting right here. And if you want to, let's say, read out what you're saying, and if you want to read out what others are saying, then you can turn on live captions. So to do that, you can go to more option right here. And once you go around onto more option, you can see turn on live captions is an option right here. So once you go around and then click on this, then what happens is that the live caption will start out. So over here, you can see that the microphone has to be unmuted for this. So go around over here and then turn on the live captions for this to start, and it'll show up right here. So it says whatever, that means it shows up whatever that I'm speaking onto my microphone right here, and you can perfectly see it. So another way to actually see and read what you're saying is, or see and read what others are saying, is by going on to more right here and by going into start transcription right over here. So once you go around over here, you can see transcript actually opens up, and whatever you're saying, it actually comes up over here. So if you do some break or so forth right here, so if I were to take a break and then speak again, then you can see that it comes up in a new line like this, just like this. So that is how you can go around and turn on live captions and then turn on transcription inside of Microsoft Teams to read what you're saying or what others are saying. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.